Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss how to install Python. So, if you are a Windows user, you need to install the Python. And if you are using a Mac, Python is pre-installed in the Macs. So, for a Windows user, if you go to the link that I've provided, you can find an option to download the Python. So this is the latest version of the Python, which is 3.7. If you guys wanted to download the lower versions like 3.6 or 2.7, you can find those versions at the bottom. So the moment you click the download button, an execution file is downloaded. So I've already downloaded the file for you guys. So I'm not going to download it again. So this is my Python file. If I click on enter, the Python file is going to install. It's like more or less self-explanatory. It asks you to accept the license and it's going to ask you to specify the path and so on. So I'm not going to install Python because I've already installed the Python. So the moment you finish the installation, you wanted to cross-verify whether you guys have installed the Python or not. So if you are a Windows user, you open the command line, and if you are a Mac user, you open the terminal. As soon as you open the command line or terminal, you enter the keyword called Python and hit enter. The moment you hit enter, the command line or the terminal enters into a Python coding without throwing an error message. If you get an error message stating that the command has not found, which means you have not installed the Python properly. So in that case, I would advise you guys to uninstall and reinstall the Python again. I hope you guys understood how to install the Python. See you guys in the next video.